believe, if memory serves me right, we were down just a tad yesterday, were we not?
You're exactly right. We were down 22 points, closed at 21,184. It was a light day of trading. A rare downgrade of Apple had the stock down a little, and it accounted for most of the loss in the Dow. The ISM service report came in at 56.9, in line with the expectations, and showing continued growth in the service sector.
All right, let's start with some company news. And one of the biggest companies out there, Apple. What are we hearing?
Now, Apple unveiled its home speaker to compete against Amazon Echo and the Google Home. So it has 6 microphones that let you talk to the speaker and ask news, weather, traffic, sports, but also send messages and set reminders. It will launch in December and retail for $350.
That's a lot of money.
A little bit more expensive than the.
Well, of course, because it's Apple, it has to be more expensive. That's interesting. All right, that's Apple. What's going on with sugar as a commodity?
Sugar as a commodity. The U.S. and Mexican governments came to a resolution over sugar. This has been brewing for years after the U.S. accused Mexico of dumping sugar on the market, suppressing the price. The new deal will call for Mexico to only export up to 30% of their total crop to the U.S., down from 53%. Many analysts think this is a blueprint for NAFTA revisions. So.
What about Splenda? No, I'm kidding. Venezuela. What are you hearing about Venezuela?
Venezuela has been suffering from economic mismanagement for decades, and now they are trying to resell bonds they issued in December. One firm bought $2.8 billion face value of bonds for $865 million, or 31 cents on the dollar. Venezuela is trying to sell $2.2 billion more of the same issue at a lower price. It shows how bad their finances are when investors are not willing to pay 1/3 of the face value of the bonds.
There you go. All right. Markets today, Scott Crothers with Stifel Nicholas.
Yes, today the Dow looks off 40 points. We get the JOLTS, or job openings and labor turnover survey, and expect about 5.4 million jobs available. So you've got plenty of places to get a job.
All right. Scott Crothers with Stifel Nicholas. Have yourself a good day. Read the tea leaves for us and tell us all about it tomorrow.
Sounds great. Thanks for calling.
Thank you, Scott Crothers.